Forget everything you know about shipyards. Welcome to Sector Alpha, where we build the $500 million White Phantom.
This is not a factory. It is a hyper-clean laboratory.
Here, dust is the enemy. Perfection is the only standard.
In the next 20 minutes, you will witness a miracle of engineering.
Chapter 1, the digital twin. We build it twice.
First, we build it virtually. Every bolt, every wire is simulated.
Designers shape the hull with hand gestures, not pencils.
We walk inside the ship before it even exists to check the luxury.
Virtual wind tunnels test aerodynamics to save fuel.
Design locked. Now, the data becomes steel.
Chapter 2, surgical steel. Raw plates arrive on autonomous droids.
We cut steel underwater. Why? To prevent heat deformation and trap all the dust instantly.
The result is a surgical edge that needs no further cleaning. Robots lift the pieces with suction cups to avoid scratching the surface.
Every movement is choreographed like a ballet.
Traditional welding is messy. Here, we use hybrid lasers.
A concentrated beam melts the steel at 3,000 degrees without burning the surroundings.
Computer vision monitors the temperature 1,000 times per second. The result is a seam stronger than the steel itself.
Humans double-check the robots with sub-millimeter scanners.
Zero tolerance for error. Precision is paramount.
Individual plates are joined to form massive mega blocks.
Before painting, the steel is polished to a jewelry-like finish.
These internal ribs give the yacht the strength to survive typhoons.
The Mega Block is ready for the next stage. Leaving fabrication. Next stop, the foundry.
Chapter 3, the golden propeller. We print the mold.
Liquid bronze, heated to 1,200 degrees, flows like lava. It fills the complex mold, capturing every detail.
Birth of a giant. But it's still rough.
Computer-controlled cutters shave it down to the micron.
Polish to a mirror finish to prevent cavitation bubbles. It's not just a propeller, it's a work of art.
Perfect pitch ensures maximum speed with minimal fuel.
Chapter 4, the Twin Hearts. Meet the V20 power plants.
The heart of the propulsion system is ready.
Why paint engines white? So even a microscopic oil leak is spotted instantly.
Together, they generate 8,000 horsepower, enough to power a small city. Time for the transplant. Moving 50 tons requires absolute stability. The crane operator navigates with the precision of a surgeon. Dropping a building-sized engine into a tight steel box.
The gap is less than 5 centimeters on each side.
Touchdown! The engine sits on active shock absorbers.
Laser alignment ensures zero vibration reaches the guest cabins. Bolts are torqued to exact specifications. They will never loosen.
Chapter 5. The nervous system. A ship without wires is dead.
We installed 200 kilometers of cabling. That's distance from London to Birmingham.
Every meter is routed by hand through the steel skeleton.
Chaos is the enemy. We use cable combs to force organization.
Aligning wires reduces electromagnetic interference and looks beautiful.
Secured every 30 centimeters. No sagging allowed. Flush cuts only. No sharp edges to catch a technician's hand.
It looks like art, but it's pure engineering.
Every single wire has a unique ID code for future maintenance.
Connecting the brain. 10,000 sensors feed data here. Next, the arteries. We use marine-grade 316 stainless steel.
CNC bending reduces the number of welded joints, minimizing leak risks. Orbital robots weld the pipes. Human hands are too shaky.
The result is a fish-scale weld pattern. Flawless. Water, fuel, and hydraulics. The lifeblood of the yacht.
The machine room is complete. A masterpiece of density. Thick insulation ensures the guests never hear the engines. Sealing the heart inside the beast.
Internals are done. Now, we build the superstructure.
The marriage. The superstructure joins the hull.
To make it beautiful, we must hide it. Enter the paint shed.
We create a climate-controlled bubble around the ship. Temperature and humidity must be perfect for the chemistry to work.
The painting team suits up. Not a speck of dust is allowed.
Once the compound dries, the hard work begins. Longboard sanding.
Now, the top coat. Arctic white high-gloss paint.
Electrostatic charging ensures the paint wraps around the surface.
The hull is baked at 60 degrees to harden the ceramic coating.
We check the curve with grazing light. It must be perfectly fair.
Chapter 7. The Black Glass. Custom made in Germany. Each pane weighs 500 kilos, too heavy for humans.
Robots handle the glass to prevent fingerprints and breakage.
Sikaflex structural adhesive. Stronger than screws.
Pressed into place with hydraulic pressure.
Chapter 8. The Floating Palace. We start with stone.
We chose rare Italian Carrara marble.
Solid stone is too heavy for a fast yacht.
So we slice it wafer thin, only 5 millimeters.
We back it with aerospace aluminum honeycomb.
80% lighter, yet stronger than solid rock.
Water jet cutting at 60,000 psi creates intricate shapes.
Book matching. The veins mirror each other perfectly. Translucent onyx allows us to light the stone from within.
The master bath begins to look like a spa.
Next, the woodwork. Sustainable teak and walnut.
CNC machines carve 3D textures into the wood.
10 layers of varnish for that deep piano black finish.
Some things robots can't do. Hand-applied 24-karat gold.
Delicate, timeless, and expensive.
And to top it off, 5,000 Swarovski crystals.
Assembled piece by piece in the main atrium. When lit, it looks like a frozen explosion. The interior is complete, a 7-star hotel on water. Chapter 9. The Torture Test. Before it floats, it must suffer. We blast the hull with high-pressure water, simulating a Category 5 hurricane. Testing the zero-speed stabilizers.
These fins flap to cancel out waves, so your champagne never spills.
Chapter 10. The Awakening. The ocean comes to the ship.
100 million liters of water flood the dock.
The cage is open. The White Phantom is free. Guided out by tugs to protect the paint. A traditional water salute for the new Queen of the Ocean. 0 to 30 knots. The axe bow cuts the waves like a knife.
Top speed reached. Stability is 100%.
Testing maneuverability. She dances on the water. The golden propellers are pushing 500 tons of water per second. On deck, you feel nothing but the breeze. Performance meets luxury. Engineering meets art. As the sun sets, the White Phantom transforms again.
Underwater LEDs illuminate the depths.
A floating city of light in the middle of nowhere. The $500 million masterpiece is complete. Ready to explore the furthest corners of the globe.